Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used this palette that I got in my Ipsy bag. It is by Beauty For Real and it's the Golden Hour palette. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I did use a setting spray whenever I was making the eyeliner, so it makes it look a little weird in the pan, but yeah. This is from the palette. Yeah, I got this in my Ipsy bag. I really like it. I did something kind of a little smoked out, like on the edges, but nothing crazy. Again, yeah. My daughter's sitting on the couch playing, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Okay, so that was it. Again, I did get this in my Ipsy bag and I really do like it. The pink shade, that pink shade is so pretty and I am so happy I have this little palette now. So yeah, Beauty for Real Golden Hour palette. If you haven't tried it, I would check it out. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I have a meeting this evening at a venue. I'm doing the photos and videos for a wedding next month, so I have to go to that tonight. And yeah, I wanted something just kind of cute, nothing crazy. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos that I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.